Hi everybody, I wanted to do two quick videos on how to create towels. I know that some of you have not done them and you're kind of curious how they work. So this will be a two-part video. The first part will be how you're going to program it in Floriani, and then the second part will actually be at the machine and we'll show you how to stitch out. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a fairly simple design. We're just going to go ahead and put a name on a towel. So the first thing you're going to do is come up to your text block, click on your T, and then you're going to click anywhere here in the workspace. You'll notice that in the properties box you now have your text choices. We're going to text a simple name. I know that I want my height at 1 inch, and I am in inches again, not in millimeters. And the font that I've decided to go with is broadcast. So I'm going to click apply. I'm going to move this, whoops. I'm going to click undo here, just because I accidentally grabbed that S, so it'll replace it. Now I'm going to select all of it and just move it because I want it in the middle of my screen. My letter placement looks really good. Sometimes, however, when you do type these, there'll be spacing in there that you don't want. If that's the case, go ahead and click your plus sign, click your text, right click, and you're going to break it up. Click your plus sign again. And now you'll see that these are each individual stitches. So if I wanted to move these around, for example, and do something like that, I could do it. Or if it was spaced out, I could change the spaces and make the letters look better. I didn't need to do that. I just wanted to show you that that's possible. So I'm going to move these letters back into place. I want to check to make sure it's going to fit in my hoop. It is. Now I've already moved these, and like I said, just to work with it now and not need to move them, I'm going to right click and I'm going to tell it to combine. So once again, it's all one word, and we'll go ahead and we'll put that in the hoop. Now we know that because we're on a towel, we want to do nap control, so we're going to select it. We're going to come up here to nap control and click on nap control. You can either offset it from your stitches or offset it from your outlines. I prefer outlines. I'm in inches, so I'm at 0.1 inch. And you can see now that I have the knockdown stitch on there. A lot of times it is good to change that color so that you can see it. And now you're going to save this file as a WAF to your desktop in case you need to come back and rework it. Or if you're confident this is what you want, go ahead and save it to your machine file extension, and I'll see you at the machine.